Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. ETOOLAB LED work light L3. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual. The cable type A to type C, 50 cm the length, very thick cable. Inside it has a high quality 5200 mAh battery, lasts for 3 hours in high mode and 6 hours in low mode. Type C port, connect the cable and you can charge it. 4 indicators, it is fully charged. Black and green color, I like it. Available and to other colors, you can check online, down below the description there is a link. COB light with 1200 lumens brightness. The on-off button. Two 360 degrees rotating hooks, very convenient. You have this option. It is equipped with strong magnets on both ends, adjustable. Find the right position. At this end it can rotate 360 degrees. Here it locks. You can rotate the base. I like it. Definitely you will find the right position you want to light up. Nice. The battery operated LED construction spotlight is suitable for almost any scenario. It can be magnetically attached, hung from a tent, iron or car hood, or laid flat on the ground. It's a 3-in-1 light for construction, camping, maintenance, for emergency and more. The ETOOLAB LED has a special sensor function. Press the sensor button when your hands are wet or dirty to turn the work light on or off without touching it. Press once, off, on. Amazing. Off, on. I just love it. Off again. You can choose the brightness you want, to level, low and high. And then just move your hand and it will switch on or off. We can see the indicators here showing the capacity. And of course you can do that and from the main switch. Turn on or off if you don't want to use the sensor. 2 levels, low and high. Nice, I love it. So let's move on at the night and check the brightness. Honestly, for its powerful and even illumination, multiple brightness modes, and the convenience of being both portable and rechargeable, the ETOOLAB work light is a fantastic piece of gear. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or just need a reliable light for camping or emergencies, this light is a serious contender. It's an excellent example for a tool that's both powerful and practical, and a great addition to any kit. Now I'd love to hear from you. Do you own the ETOOLAB L3 or do you have a different go-to work light? What are the most important features you like for in a work light? Brightness, battery life or something else? Are there any other lighting products or workshop essentials you'd like us to review in the future? Share all your thoughts, tips and questions down below in the comment section. And that brings us to the end of our hands-on review of the ETOOLAB LED work light. I truly hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of its brightness, versatility, and whether it's the right lighting solution for your projects. If you found this video helpful, informative, or simply appreciate a well-lit workspace, please give it a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool reviews, DIY projects, and workshop tips. You can also find links to the ETOOLAB LED work light along with any other relevant accessories in the description box below. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other tool reviews and workshop essentials right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Keep your projects bright and your workspace safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.